Okay, another lesson on some vowel combinations. This one's not such a problem for most people, but EO is generally yo or O. And we have a word for key, yocher. Yocher. EO, yo. Bio, alive or living. Okay, so that's easy. Nobody really has too much trouble with that one. This yor is yor, L-E-O-R, nod, done, olach, or yolach if you like. Olach. Hint is enough for the wise person. A word to the wise will suffice, in other words, something like that. It's a proverb. Okay, and gajo, forever. Another example, yo. Easy peasy. So that one's not a problem. Now, there are some other ones that generally people get, but they're a little weird because there are multiple letters combined in ways that don't happen in English, so you gotta learn them, just like everything else. It's not English. So let's take the A-G-H-A, Aya. Aya, let's add an ending to that, A-G-H-A-I-D-H, is face, ai. Lahai is for or facing or towards or for the purpose of, lahai, same thing. Here's another one that sounds similar, but it's E-I-D-H, and then there would be a slender vowel after that. So, fime, another I diphthong. Fime, functioning. Fime, F-E-I-D-H-M, I. Alright, so those are pretty easy. Then we get the Alwah diphthongs. O-G-H-A, Owa, or Alwah. A-B-H-A, these are the ones that are definitely Alwah. And A-M-H-A, Alwah. Right, those are your diphthongs. And that covers all of them. So let's get some examples with these guys. So you have your I diphthongs and your ow diphthongs. None of these have fadas. If they have fadas, it doesn't turn it into a diphthong. It's a different combination. It's a different letter. Now, a vowel with a fada is not the same vowel. So this is a lesson about fauriacht. Faura, pronunciation, fauriacht. So it's kjacht, is kjacht fauriachtasha. Kjacht, there's that from the first lesson, kjacht fauriachta, there's the genitive case of fauriacht. A lesson of pronunciation. Kjachtana fauriachta, same thing, kjachtana is the plural. And there's kjachtana, just a long plural, that's all. Now, how about some hours? An awen. A-B-H-A-I-N-N. Awen. Trasna takes the genitive. Tras, across. Trasna na hawen. A-B-H-A-N-N. Genitive form of that word. Trasna na hawen. It's a feminine noun, of course. Alright, the MH is the same as the BH in the middle of the vowels. So Saura, S-A-M-H-R-A-D-H. You don't hear their ending really. Saura, in Ulster you say Sauru. Ichahauna, there's the genitive case of that. O-I-Fada, C-H-E-H-S-H-A-M-H-N-A. Ichahauna. Of course, you should know your lenitions and what they sound like, and I'm not going through every vowel sound and all these other rules that you will learn and hopefully study and have studied already, and you just need to remind yourself. I'm just giving you some examples. And here's a good sentence to show you a couple of things. Time, there's a fada on that, so it's not at, it's I'm. Time, glauert, there's your hour. Glauert. Fween Jouwer. L-E-A-B-H-A-R. So, Lort is to speak. A glort. Fween is about the Jouwer, the book. Some ows. Awa, 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 awa. Okay, so there's all your diphthongs.